Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a very important question. What is the phone number for NBKC support? I know this might seem like a simple question, but it's actually a really common one. I get asked this question all the time by my friends, family, and even strangers on the internet. So, if you're looking for the phone number for NBKC support, you've come to the right place. But before I give you the answer, I want to talk a little bit about why you might need to contact NBKC support. Why you might need to contact NBKC support. There are a few reasons why you might need to contact NBKC support. Here are a few of the most common reasons. You're having trouble logging into your account. You're having trouble making a payment. You're having trouble transferring money. You're having trouble getting a loan. You're having trouble with your investment account. You're having trouble with your credit card. You're having trouble with your debit card. You're having trouble with your insurance. You're having trouble with your mortgage. You're having trouble with your student loans. You're having trouble with your business banking. If you're having any of these problems, or if you have any other questions about NBKC, then you should contact their support team. How to contact NBKC support. There are a few different ways to contact NBKC support. Here are a few of the most common ways. Phone, you can call NBKC support at 1-800-662-3333. Online, you can visit the NBKC website and submit a support request online. Chat, you can chat with an NBKC support representative online. Social media, you can contact NBKC support on social media. Which method should you use? The best method for contacting NBKC support will depend on your individual needs. If you need help quickly, then you should call them or chat with them online. If you have a more complex issue, then you might want to submit a support request online. What to expect when you contact NBKC support? When you contact NBKC support, you will be asked to provide some basic information about yourself. This information may include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Once you have provided this information, you will be connected with a support representative. The support representative will be able to help you with your issue. Tips for contacting NBKC support. Here are a few tips for contacting NBKC support. Be patient. It may take some time to get connected with a support representative. Be polite. The support representatives are people just like you, and they're there to help you. Be clear and concise. Explain your problem as clearly and concisely as possible. Have your account information handy. This will help the support representative help you more quickly. What if I'm not happy with the help I receive from NBKC support? If you're not happy with the help you receive from NBKC support, you can escalate your issue to a manager. You can also file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more information about NBKC, be sure to check out their website. Thanks for watching.